Yo, what's up guys? Mike Cass back out with a brand new video today, and bro, it's like, if you can see it's like 1:56. It's like 2 a.m. in the morning, so my parents are probably gonna like, they're gonna turn the Wi-Fi off soon. They're gonna just like, I need to be super quiet. But, like, I'm gonna show you, this is really, really crucial to improve conversion rates. 100% conversion rates is so important because you're making more money for free. So that's like the best thing. You don't want to drive traffic and then they're just gonna bounce right away. So it just matters so much, like the website, how it's optimized and stuff. So I'm basically gonna show you how to make like a banger website layout, and at least what's worked for me, how I've gotten 5-6% conversion rate. But like recently this Facebook ads is like 1%. It's trash, but at least this is what has worked with me. So basically the number, like, I'm gonna go through my apps right now. I'm gonna show you guys what the apps I have on my website. I'm gonna pull it up right now. It's super crucial. Some of them do cost money, but trust me. So number one, I have Cartquake. That basically shakes the add to cart button. I watched the video with Sebas, Josh, and Andy, so shout out to them. They're all, hustling and stuff. Cartquake, it basically shakes your add to cart button and people just want to click it naturally. So that definitely helps. And sticky add to cart button, you don't really need it, but and then countdown cart by beaconing. I don't know if you can see that. I found that it's worked best with me, rather than Herify, just because Herify, like, I texted some abandoned cart people, and they basically said, that, like, oh, like, I had a friend that also wanted to buy it, and the timer was, like, the same, or it was, like, different, so they were both really sketchy about it, and that's why they didn't order. And I've also seen that there's, like, some really big sites, and they just do, like, if I would show you on my website, but I'll reveal it, just say, like, with the countdown cart with beaconing, don't put the timer, literally just put the stock countdown. That's, like, the best, like, 20 left in stock, whatever, just because, it doesn't matter who sees it, it doesn't look like a scam. And then let me see what else I have. And then I have Oberlo. That's kind of a necessity if you're drop shipping. If you don't know what Oberlo is, search it up. That's really simple. Product reviews. You want to use product photo reviews. Those do work the best, but some products, they just don't have reviews. Like my product that I'm marketing right now, it doesn't. It's literally just product reviews. So basically, it's I'll show you on my old site on Melrose Official. Like, this is like a public site. So this is basically my product description. It looks like that. You guys probably know it. Literally just like, there's no photos or anything. You want that. Oh, and then really important, you want to have the guaranteed safe checkout. Put it on the bottom so it doesn't look like scammy or anything. Get sales pop. It basically, pops up like who's buying what. If it will load, like, I don't know. It's usually like at the bottom. This person recently bought this. That's really important for social proof. You need to have social proof and understand the psychology of a buyer. But I'll show it. Yeah, look. You can see it at the bottom. That person just bought something recently, like 5 hours ago. Usually it does sync like true orders, and then get upsell bundles. Upsell bundles right there. Basically, you can, like, upselling is, of course, and then add 2 to the cart. It really helps. The customers love it. I've gotten orders like from it. And then let me go now to this website, and then basically you want to change your thing in edit languages to buy now instead of add to cart. Buy now is more of like, urgency, whatever, and add to cart color should be red. I've seen that with the most popular websites. That's what my sites are, red. People just want to click it, and especially if it's red and shaking, bro, you just want to click it. It's urgency. And then not available in stores is pretty good. That's what I have on my stuff. Wait, I don't know if you can see it, but like, not available in stores just makes them want to buy, like, oh, it's only online. And then this is what I do, and this is what a lot of people like. Just keep it simple, guys. So basically, I have like 3 to 4 sentences, and then like 3 bullet points. So if you can see, look, there's like 3 to 4 sentence, like red add to cart button, not available in stores, 3 to 4 sentences, and then 3 bullet points, and then the guaranteed safe checkout, and then product reviews like right underneath that. So basically, like, that's literally so simple. You don't want to distract them from pressing the buy now button. I think it's super important. At least, like, also you want to look at like Adidas.com, see what they're doing. Well, they're selling like clothing and shoes, so it's like sizing charts and all that's a little more complicated, but at least that's what's helped me. Like sales pop. Let me go through the apps. Like, this is basically the summary now. You want Cartquake, shaking the add to cart button. It adds like necessity and stuff to it. And then you want countdown cart by beaconing, basically like stock countdown or whatever. That really helps. And then product reviews, very important. You need to have social proof. You need to have social proof. FOMO. FOMO's fear of missing out. So sales pop. That's like kind of like, oh, other people are buying it, you better buy it now. Upsell bundles. That's not a necessity. It doesn't like do anything to conversion rates, but it makes you more money on the front end. And then countdown cart. Yeah, I said that. Honestly, yeah, don't overthink it. Like, you guys should not overthink it, just because if you're making it all complicated and stuff, they're gonna be busy reading the description. They're gonna forget press an add to cart button, and that's pretty much it. And then also, yeah, change the add to cart button. I already said it, to buy now. That does help. You know, they just press buy now, and then it should lead them straight to the cart page. And it just did that. Oh, and then your cart is reserved for like 14 minutes. That helps with me, whatever. So honestly, yeah, this video was like honestly pretty simple, just because it's how the product description should be. So hopefully you guys implement this into your store, and comment down below if you've increased your conversion rate. So yeah, honestly, that's it. Peace out. I gotta upload this, bro, every single day. Grind. Shout out to Arson and Semyon. They like pressuring me to upload this. So yeah, I'll see you tomorrow. Hopefully I'll be posting another video, of course, every single day that I'm gonna be doing this. And peace.